Keep your key fully inserted and press in firmly. Great news! You can choose among keys that cut immediately and dispense from the kiosk, as well as designs that will ship to you quickly. Add one more key and get a third key for free. Swipe your credit or debit card. All major cards accepted. For complete security, we do not store your credit card information after purchase. Buy 2 keys and get 1 free. Scan another key or add an extra spare. Are you sure you want to cancel your order? All of your scans will be deleted. Select which key type you want to copy.